Many new traders often ask me the same question. What do I think about starting with a demo account? Well, my answer is very simple. Waste of time. Demo accounts don't involve real money, thus you won't experience the same emotions and decision making as you are trading with real money. Incomplete preparations. Demo account will not prepare you for the psychological aspects for real trading, such as emotions and stress. Trading, day trading, swing trading, in my opinion, is the most emotional, stressful job there is. Unrealistic expectations. Success in demo accounts will not guarantee the same results when trading with real money. Most of the demo accounts have time limitations, which means they don't give you enough time to find your own strategy, to find your own set of rules which works for you. You also have the risk of overtrading. Since demo accounts don't involve real money, they don't involve real emotions, they don't involve real risk. You will find yourself overtrading and taking excessive risks. If you want to start trading, start small. What is small? For example, take one stock of Apple, or one stock of AMD, or one stock of Amazon or Google or Microsoft. Worst case scenario, Apple will fall 10%, 15% in 1 week. So you lost 15, 20 US dollars. But then you can realize what are your limitations, not financially, but on the emotional side, the psychology behind trading. Hey there, Tamir from FIBONACCI'S.com here. I hope everybody had a great weekend. Thank you very much for joining another weekly edition, my top stocks to watch for the coming week. Please hit the like, subscribe, share with friends. And without any further ado, stay for the rest of the video. First name on my list, AVTR, Aventor Inc. 21 now is the resistance. Only by looking left we can see here it was resistance also during October, November of 2022. Very tough resistance, and you can see the price likes to hang around this area. So long continuation above 21 towards 2180, above this one 2250, above 2250 in my opinion. And remember, this is only my opinion, 2520. And always zoom out to get a better point of view of price action. So if we look on the weekly chart, on the weekly time frame, higher time frame, we can clearly see. We can also go to the weekly. Is the noise? What do we see? Double top, triple bottom of the 1874. So we need above 21. We need price to go towards the 25. If 25 will break to the upside, in my opinion, we have also here a double bottom scenario towards the 31. Zoom in, zoom out to get a better point of your price action. Follow price. Read the story that price tells you. And then you can use Fibonacci levels as your guide for future support and resistance. BYND 1480 is a tough resistance. We can also see here, if you're a pattern seeker, you can see a cup and handle kind of thing. But Fibonacci traders, we don't rely on patterns because, frankly, patterns are not reliable. There are some excuse for technical analysis traders that don't really understand pure price action. Once you understand pure price action and the relationship with Fibonacci levels and trend lines, you don't need to search patterns. You see here, low, higher low. Now we are waiting for higher highs breakout towards 1644 and 19. EXPE, Expedia Group. Summer is here. People are traveling. Cup, handle. But once again, prepare for both sides. And this is why patterns are not reliable, because we also have here a double top scenario. If this double top scenario will get validated, we need to prepare for the downside. Below 108 towards 105. If 105 will get broken to the downside, next will be 97. 97 was a very tough resistance. So if this double top scenario will validate, 97 is the support. Always prepare for both sides. Never be biased. Perry, double bottom if you like. Above 35, we are heading towards 36.56 and then 38.50. Rivian, RIVN, breaking above this long-term downtrend line, but we do have here a gap. We do have here another gap. And we know that more than 80% of all gaps will get filled. And after this massive bull run from 13 towards 25, some kind of a pullback will be very healthy, in my opinion, testing this trend line as support from resistance. This trend line needs to get tested as support, close the gap, and then next leg up above 25, in my opinion, 36 and 41 to the upside. DKNG still waiting for a break above the 27. As you can see, 1.5 months of very tough resistance. 24.50, very important level of support. Short below 24.50, long above 27. Where price might be heading next? Below 24.50, 22.74, and then this gap at the 21.80 will get filled. Long continuation above 27 towards 30.50 and 35.50 as the next sub resistance. Lift LYFT still waiting for a break up this downtrend, short-term downtrend channel, long above 10.30 towards 11.10, above 11.10. If you're a pattern seeker, you can clearly see some kind of a head, inverted head and shoulders, but still early. We need a break above 10.30, then 11.10. Above 11.10, we have this massive gap to the upside at the 15.60 or 16 area. RHI, slowly grinding up. If you follow me on Twitter and you saw previous videos, you know we are in a long position on this name since breaking above the 75.30. Now we are waiting for long continuation above the 79 towards 81 and 85. If you look on the longer term trend, you can see downtrend, bounce toward the 618 Fibonacci level. Not surprising. Tough resistance. It was support and resistance during second half of 2022. Now it's coming as resistance, long continuation above it towards 83. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, subscribe, share with friends, will be much appreciated. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for more educational resources. Until the opening bell, stay safe.